Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how to see all your hidden buttons. I get so many questions on my channel, where's my buttons? And today I'm going to show you how to do it on Vegas Pro 19, but this will work for all versions of Vegas, starting on back in Vegas 15. So here we have this ordinary video playing. So what we can do, I'm going to have all my buttons shown on this track here. So go to these three little dots, edit, video button set, show all your buttons at your fingertips. For audio, video bars, the dots, sorry, edit video button set, show all, done. Do this for your preview window as well. Edit video button set, show all your buttons are at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.